In this video, I will share with you the secret of one of the most popular recipes in the world, a potent love potion, a homemade Viagra, which is good for your health. To make a cup of this Viagra health juice, peel 2 to 3 carrots. Now, if the carrots are huge, you'll only need 1 carrot. If the carrots are medium-sized, you can do 2 carrots. If the carrots are very small, you can use 3 carrots. You will peel the skins off with a peeler or a knife. I love to use the skins on the carrots whenever I use it because there are so much benefits in the skins. But make sure that you scrub your carrots real good. You can use some soap and a scrub brush to scrub your carrots very good before using the skins on them. Now, carrots has great health benefits due to their high content of vitamin A and potassium, which is great for male strength. And carrots are also good for your eyes. So if you're not using carrots in your diet, please start doing so because there are many great health benefits when it comes to eating carrots, even more than I was able to reveal to you in this video. So you're gonna slice and dice your carrots and you're gonna put that aside. Then you'll grab an apple. I love using green apples. There are many useful components in an apple for men's health, such as vitamins A, C, PP, E, group B and macronutrients, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Apples are very healthy. They even have a proverb concerning apples and its health benefits, a proverb that says an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So you're going to slice and dice your apples after you've washed it off very carefully, of course. Then you're going to add 1 walnut. Walnut is a very effective means of restoring male strength. Walnut oil and fruits enhances the blood circulation in the pelvic area. If your walnuts are all crushed up, you could just gather some together, which is the equivalent of 1 walnut, and you can add it to your love potion. After you've added your walnut, you're gonna add a teaspoon of honey. Honey normalizes the work of the genitourinary system and prostate. It is used in the treatment of prostatitis to improve potency in the male. Be very generous with your honey. Don't be stingy because it has a lot of good flavor to it also. So you'll add a teaspoon of honey and you will add everything in the blender. Put all your carrots and your apple, your walnut in the blender and add 8 ounces of water. And blend until everything comes to a smooth liquid texture. Drink a cup of this homemade Viagra 2 times a day until you begin to feel its effects. You will also notice its health benefits because all the ingredients are good for your health. Don't drink if you are allergic to any of these ingredients.